Metin Shuro. Spiced vegetables. A side dish from Ethiopia. Serves 4. You will need 22 ingredients. Step 1. Wash peas, lentils, chickpeas and beans, put them in boiling water for a few minutes. Drain off water. Step 2. Roast each of the vegetables separately and dry in sunlight. When they are dry, grind separately into half pieces. Step 3. Pick out black parts and then mix all vegetables together. Step 4. Mix red pepper, ginger, garlic, red shallots, chopped, roux and savory, and dry outside in the sun. Roast fenugreek for a short period to remove raw taste. Mix vegetables
Step
with
5.
salt and add remaining
Grind this
spices.
mixture
into coarse spices. Grind whole mixture very finely and keep to use a little at a time. May be kept indefinitely in a good dry place. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.